kakatapos lang ng aking Zoom HIIT workout and I'm so excited. I'm super excited for this sa aking blend shake dahil gagawa ko ng aking whey protein smoothie. So, thank you so much, Blend Shake, for this.
Finished working out and I can't wait to try this one. This is from Blend Shake. It's a portable blender. So, wala siyang wires or anything. You just recharge it here. Turn it on.
Hey guys, yay, unboxing this one. Yay, blend shake. Check out na lang yung post ni George paano siya gamitin. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo, this is so cute. My favorite color. May panglinis na siya. At saka, madali lang siya gamitin kasi nilalagyan mo lang siya ng fruits at i-click mo lang siya dito. Chargeable. So convenient, diba? Kaya, better na. Tingnan ang Blend Shake Pro Portable Blender. May iba-ibang kulay. Ang pinili ko ay black. Salamat kaayo. Alam ko rechargeable siya. Kaya, pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere.